Welcome back to my class in this fifth meeting of standardized test of structure. Okay? Well, I hope that everyone is still okay here. I hope that everyone is still healthy without any problem because of this pandemic, right? And hope that we can, be able to finish this material until meetings 14. That's why I hope that everyone could take care of yourself. Okay? Now, today's we are going to not today's, right? I don't know, because I don't know with what time that you are going to open this video. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe the next day after tomorrow, I don't know. So that's why I'm going to say in this meeting, okay, in this meeting we are going to talk about conjunction. Okay, conjunction. Okay, conjunction, you know that conjunction, kata sambung in Indonesian, right? And so, but, meanwhile, after, before, a lot of things, right? A lot of example of conjunction. And here, but we are not going to talk about all of the conjunction words. However, we are going to focus on correlative conjunction, that are two part of adjective, because here we are going to talk about neither or not only and. That's what we are going to focus. And anytime you see the sentence containing correlative conjunction, you should be on the look for this type of error. Okay, correlative conjunction, neither or, not only, either, neither, and etc. Okay, so basically this is what we are going to focus for our meeting. Either, blah blah blah, or neither, nor, both, and, not only but also, whether or. So basically these are the correlative conjunction. Okay, and this is the examples I have already provided to you. Number one, you can choose either the red car or the blue car. Okay, you can see here we are using either, and after that the conjunction will be or, either or. You can choose either the red car or the blue car. You can choose either my money or my love, for example. And then neither Mr. Smith nor Mrs. Jones came to the meeting. Okay, neither and nor. Here, let's take a look at this. And the next one, both. When we are using both, of course, it will be continued by and. Both Jim and Anne are coming to the party tomorrow. Both Mr. Harry and Mr. Titis works in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Okay. And then not only, okay, I am sure that everyone is quite familiar with this pattern, not only but also, right? She works not only at the Bawang restaurant but also at the bookstore. So it means that she works in the two places, right? Bawang restaurant and bookstore. And then the last one, Alice has to eat healthy food from now, whether she wants it or not. Whether or, okay, whether you like it or not, whether you come or not. So that's what we call it with the whether and or. Okay, and actually there are still a lot of example of the conjunction. After, although, as if, only, till, unless, when, blah blah blah, well, and more than this. Actually, I just can, I only put some example here. You can find another example of conjunction in another sources. Yeah, now we are going to talk about it in the question of TOEFL test. Let's take a look at this. X-ray have important application, not only in not only in medicine and in industry. Do you still remember what I said by we are talking about not only? Of course, the answer must be C, right? C is the problem here. We cannot continue the conjunction not only with and, right? We have to continue it with alright, but also. So the best answer for this, the best sentence for this should be X-rays have important application not only in medicine but also. Okay, so it's incorrect, right? We have to change this into but also. Okay. Example number 2. Let's take a look at this. The air that surrounds our planet is both odorless, colorless, and invisible. Okay, can you see that? So, can you guess what is the best answer for this? What is the error here? That's right. It should be odorless. Why? Because both can only be used to join two elements. Can you see that? It's impossible for using both because there are three adjectives here, right? Odorless, colorless, and invisible, right? So we cannot use both here. When there are more than two, it should be using among, right? The air that surrounds our planet is sorry, wait a minute. It's not among because it's not going to be the conjunction. We can say like the air that surrounds our planet is odorless, colorless, and invisible. We cannot use both, yeah, because it's more than two. Okay. Another example here. Let's take a look at this. Brakes and clutches serve a very different function in an automobile, and their principles of operation are nearly the same. Can you guess what's the best answer? Okay, can you guess this? Yes, that's right. It's C. The first clause discusses how brakes and clutches are different. Brakes and clutches serve very different function in automobile. Therefore, the second clause discusses how they are the same. The conjunction joining them must be contrast. C should read but, yeah. Brakes and clutch serve very different function in an automobile, but their principles of operation are nearly same because this is the opposite discussion, yeah. It's not the same discussion here. Same, what's that? Same indicator that they are talking about. So the best answer for this is C. Okay? Well, I think that's all for the explanation. You guys are having more exercise and activity after that I already provided. Please go on to the activity that I have already provided in meeting 5. I think that's all from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.